Well, got starter back together. Got to set the points, and then got the ground wire figured out. Gonna go right there. Got to cut it. I got to put another thing in it. The special two-way into one-way connector like that. Basically, same thing as factory. And one green wire is going to go on that. This wire is going to go into that, and then it's going to split off with two grounds, and then it's going to go there. So, on the fl250, people will be like, this ain't no 77. Hey, guess what? Well, can't find it, but it's a 77. And I figured out from a Facebook group of Odyssey Life YouTube channel, Odyssey Life Facebook group, a guy told me that I have a point style stator, which is what I had on this. But in 80, they made a 12 volt instead of 6 volt point stator, and that's what I have. So I don't know if that's going to work or not. I believe that white wires are ground according to the manual. So I might be able to make this have 12 volts. Who knows? Maybe, maybe not. Hopefully it at least produces sparks so I get this thing running. Because I got brand new Makuni on it. Right there. Straight from Japan. Brand new coil. Got a whole bunch of parts for the dang thing. And I want it to run. Took the whole foot tub and bottom seat out so I get in here, make it all nice. Need to get some wire loom for all the wiring so it don't get scraped up. But that's what's new on the 250. Getting it done, got correct wire. As I still think this is a little big, so probably was 18 gauge wire, but it's way better than what it was. So hopefully I get this thing produce spark, or else I don't know what I'm gonna do.